questions that I get a lot from home decor suppliers that are only doing business with Wayfair is that they want to expand their business to other customers like Overstock or HomeDepot.com, but they're just not sure how. Hi, I'm Josh Roberts with RSG Sales, and we're an e-commerce coaching and account management firm. Although it sounds easy, adding new accounts in the e-commerce space is not easy. One of the biggest challenges is understanding where to go. As an example, if you want to get set up with Overstock, who do you contact? What's the process? And then even when you get accepted into the process, like at Home Depot, you get into it and there's a lot of different requirements that they have that can be confusing, and you kind of get stuck somewhere in the process. Like, what is a GLN number? And there's very specific certificate of insurance requirements and so forth. So it's very doable, but it's also very challenging. Okay, one of the biggest pitfalls I see is that once a supplier successfully got themselves onboarded with Home Depot or with Overstock, there's other requirements that they didn't understand on the front end in terms of what are some of the costs of doing business, like pricing, promotion, and different allowances that you have to account for. I'd like to talk about how you can get your products on other e-commerce platforms like Overstock or Home Depot or Walmart.com or Lowe's.com. We'd love to talk to you about that. And any other topic that you might have. So simply, in terms of next steps, simply click on the link below and schedule a call with us. We've also laid out a few simple questions that will help us better understand your business so that we can maximize your time together. And we look forward to speaking with you.